and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about fridge organization. As we all know, fridge is a very essential thing for every home. चाहे वो storing food हो, vegetables, extra groceries, milk, to store everything we actually need a fridge, and nowadays it becomes a must-have requirement for us. So we need to organize the fridge in such a way that we can create more space to store more things. An organized fridge really helps us to stay healthy and ultimately it saves money. So I'm going to show you how do I organize my fridge. So let's get started. So here is the fridge. It's a Samsung convertible refrigerator with 275 liters gross volume and storage volume of 255 liters. From a fridge section, yeah, this is the first shelf here. This is the first shelf. Here I used to put curd, milk, then dosa and idli batter, and then this is the leftovers. Leftovers हम लोग का ज़्यादा नहीं बचता है, हम लोग जितना खाते हैं उतना ही बनाते हैं. अगर या समटाइम्स बच जाता है तो आई यूज टू पुट इट इन ग्लास कंटेनर सो दैट इट विल बी विजिबल, हमको पता चल जाता है. सो वी नीड टू फिनिश दैट फूड. बट अगेन हम लोग कुछ क्लोज या अदर कुछ कंटेनर में रखेंगे, शायद पता नहीं चलेगा, वो ज़्यादा दिन तक रह जाएगा. अगेन इट विल बी अ वेस्ट ऑफ फूड. So normally I used to prefer to keep the leftovers in the glass container. And now moving to a second shelf. This is the sliding one. Here I used to keep all the fruits in a basket. Basket में रहने से ये ज़्यादा clutter free रहता है and it's a space created we can say, because थोड़ा सा ही space में बहुत सारा thing रहता है and यहाँ पे ज़्यादा भी space बच जाता है तो we can put other things also here. But baskets में really मतलब things will be very organized as well and हम लोग को carry करने के लिए easy भी रहता है. And this is having a handle, so it's very helpful to carry out. So I used to use this basket to store all this fruits. And here another basket. Here extra ketchup, mayonnaise and normal things etc. I used to keep in a basket. Now this is the third shelf. I used to put all the extra groceries here. मतलब कुछ भी extra बेसन या rice flour and all I used to keep in this basket. And here another kind of this kind of clip I used to use to store this pouch packets and all, because इसमें ज़्यादा fresh रहता है, plus air tight है, so fresh रहता है things and all. And here also another basket. इसमें कस्तूरी मेथी and here another stop. And this one I used to keep because lemon हम लोग normally यूज़ करने के बाद उसको फेंक देते हैं, but हम लोग अगर इसे रख देंगे, मतलब after squeezing if we'll put that lemon in a container it will help to reduce the bad odor from fridge, because हम लोग बहुत सारा food रखते हैं, मतलब batters and all वो सब रखते हैं, तो बहुत दिन रहने के बाद थोड़ा smell होता है fridge. So ये lemon is very helpful to reduce that odor. So I used to put it in this kind of small container. And then this is ginger and this is chilies. This is also a very good space saving drawers we can use. And last one is it's coriander leaves. I used to put it here. And again in this basket I used to put vegetables in this kind of net bag, or else we can use Ziploc bags as well to keep the vegetables. To door side of fridge, here is a stackable container. ये एक के ऊपर एक ऐसे रह जाता है, तो ये काफ़ी space saving है and it will help to use the vertical space of the fridge. And here I used to keep amla, and other one is the masala, which I used to use very rare. And this is also another kind of space saving container. It's 4 compartments. We can store 4 varieties of masalas here in one box, so it's very good. And in the next one, this is lemon, this is jam, and then baking baking essentials, and last one also egg, then pickle. This is also baking all the essence and all. Last one is ketchup sauce then that chutneys and all, everything I used to keep it here. So let me give you the overview now. Coming to freezer section, yeah, This is the first shelf. Here is the butter case. It's a steel butter container. It's very good one. And this is extra masalas and all. This is a frozen food. I used to keep it here. This is airtight clip. As I told you, it's very airtight one, and इसमें ज़्यादा fresh रहता है food. So I am using that. This is ice cream. This is the extra saman, and this is ice tray. And here all the dry fruits I used to keep it in a glass container. And this is the almond spread, and then butter spread, etc. I used to put it here. So this is the overview. So this is how I organize my fridge. Thanks for watching.